I'm Nicolette. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hand with a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how to do it simply and how to learn how to do a thumbs up hand easier. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use a guide. So first of all you need to do is a sketch a straight line on the paper. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is your guide, so this is going to be rubbed out. Okay, and then you need a circle on the end of that. There we go. Sorry, that's my cat. Just going in the bowl that's empty because she scoffed it all in one go this morning. There we go. Right, so that is not a hand. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to turn this into a hand. So we're going to start here and we're going to go up and we're going to come, actually you might want to draw a guide there. That's your guide, I forgot to put that on. So we're going to go round that guide, I'm going to come in and then we're going to come out and round to around the middle of that circle, around there. Okay, now here it's quite easy. You don't feel like it's going to be, but it is because you've got this guide underneath. So we're going to go, oh, she's going in the litter tray now. Every time I do a video, one of my fur babies ruins it. There we go. So got this here. I'm going to continue that along here. Before we come to here, I'm going to turn it round. Okay. And we're going to join that to your guide there. The next finger is going to come from behind and it's going to come up, round, same as the other one, down. But this time we're going to connect it to there. And then we've got the little finger. Now the little finger's a little bit smaller, just a little bit, and it's going lower down. So then we're more or less level. Oh, please don't go in that litter tray, Raven. Last one, Dottie, came on. So if you go on the simple ham one, you can see Dottie, my other cat, coming on the video. Now this one, Raven, let's hope this is a wee. That's all I'm saying. There we go. Right, so you can see we are looking like a hand. I need to put the wrist on. Alright, coming in, part of the arm, more or less straight. There we go. Oh, we need to draw the hand, which is going to come out, I think, around there, where your circle is. And then we're going to draw that going out, like that. Okay. Right. Now you've got to check your picture and see what you think. Give it a check. Make sure you're happy with it before we rub the guides out. I'm going to give mine a good check first. I think I am actually. I think I might be happy with that. So I'm going to rub my guidelines out, the ones that we did right at the beginning. Here, leaving that. I'm going to rub that out. I'm going to rub this out. And then this, the circly bit. There we go. Now you can do it another check now. Make sure you're happy with that. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think I might be happy with that. I think I am. So now you can get your felt tip and you can go around your hand. So just like this. All the way around. Into that bit. This bit's coming down and out. Slowly so you don't botch it up. You don't want to botch it at this point. Although we've done it pretty quickly. I'm sure if you did it again, you'll be even better. That's the thing, practice, practice, practice. Put a little flick on there to show there's a crease in the finger. Practice, practice, practice. Took me a long time. Okay, now then the bottom line. Just going along again. Following your guide. And then you've got this bit. If you feel like your hand drags when you're doing that, you can put something underneath your hand. A piece of paper or a card is even better for that. Cat hairs on here, you know. And then wait a few minutes for your ink to dry and give it a little rub out. So you've just got your nice black lines and no pencil lines there. So that is how you do. Oh, she's going back to literature. Do you know, they say don't work with animals, don't they? I love my animals so well, but I can understand where that saying comes from now. Cheeky. Cheeky. She's doing it on purpose, I'm sure of it. So I've done a few videos on, I'm going to do a few videos on hands. I've done a simple one, which shows you how to draw a simple hand. I've done thumbs up, and the next one I'm going to do is a clenched fist. Okay, now the clenched fist is useful for you. It doesn't always mean it's going to be something aggressive. You can use it if someone's angry, but also you can use it like someone's holding something, like maybe a flower. I like to do a flower, one holding a flower, actually. That's a nice idea. So I'm going to do a variety of different hands because they are hard, they can be hard. So using a guide like that makes it easier, and then you'll be able to do it yourself. So thank you for watching. Ask me questions in the comment section if you need anything, if you struggle with something, if you want me to draw something or do a tutorial on something, let me know and I'll try my best. Subscribe to the channel, then you don't miss out, because I do them quite regular, these videos. You'll find a course of over 80 actually if you go into my playlists. And I'm doing them quite often, so I'll be uploading more. You'll find famous cartoons on there. There's animals, monsters, robots, aliens. I've done some on movement, how to make your character look like they're moving. So take a look. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, because that helps YouTube to recommend it to others who may also enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry about my cats. Yes, Dotty on the simple hand video and Raven on this one. Anyway, hope to see you again.